Hi dear one, today I'm taking you for a walk along the Atlantic Ocean and I'll show you some views of Rabat, Morocco. I arrived in Rabat with nervous energy. Traveling alone in a busy capital city meant many choices, a lot of movement. But the moment I walked toward the water, everything slowed down. The waves were steady, unhurried, strong, without force. And I felt my frightened energy dissolve. The ocean is rich in minerals like iodine and salt. And the ocean air carries negative ions that calm the nervous system. That is not only chemistry, it is rhythm. The waves keep moving, they cleanse the mind. And I realized this. This is what fasting does too. When we fast, we remove excess food, excess noise, excess stimulation, and the body returns to rhythm. Walking and swimming in the ocean created joy inside of me. Joy, the quiet kind, the rooted kind. I swam before sunrise and my body got cleansed. Why? Because something heavy left me in that water. A nagging sadness. It was gone. Joy is not something we manufacture. It is something we reconnect to. And God can restore it through simplicity, through fasting. Hallelujah. Joy is available all the time. And we don't access it through more consumption. We access it through simplicity. The ocean taught me that, and fasting confirmed it. If this message resonates with you, and you are curious about how to structure fasting in a safe and simple way, then click on the link in the description box. I linked my simple starter system, and it's the exact framework I use to reset my rhythm and to return the joy God designed us to live from. With bold love, Anna.